Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm the founder and the teacher of Smart Mandarin. My job is to help you speak Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to bargain in Mandarin. Before I do that, I want to have a shout out to my Instagram follower, which is LISSTUDYSS. Thank you for watching my video lesson and let me know by tagging me on Instagram and your Instagram story. Thank you very much for your support. Here's my shout out to you. Now let's begin today's lesson. First of all, how do you say to bargain in Mandarin? We say 杀价, 杀价. It's very interesting because 杀 meaning to kill and 价 is price. So to kill price meaning to bargain. That is very interesting. However, this term is used more in Taiwan, 杀价, 杀价. In China, they often say 讲价钱, 讲价钱. 讲 meaning to say, to talk. 价钱 is price, so to talk price. 讲价钱. This is more often used in China. 杀价, 讲价钱. 你会杀价吗? Do you know how to bargain? 你会杀价吗? 会 meaning to know how to. This word is in my absolute beginners course. I had series of video explaining how to use 会 in Mandarin. If you want to be my student, the link is right over there. Now let's go back to this lesson. So 你会杀价吗? Do you know how to bargain? 你会杀价吗? Alright, you could also say 你会讲价钱吗? Do you know how to bargain? 你会讲价钱吗? Or I could ask you 你会用中文讲价钱吗? Do you know how to bargain in Mandarin? 你会用 to use 用中文 using Mandarin 讲价钱吗? Do you know how to use Mandarin bargain? 你会用中文讲价钱吗? Or 你会用中文杀价吗? 你会用中文杀价吗? 好, let's learn how to use 中文杀价. First one is 太贵了. This is a very, I personally feel this is more dramatic. You know, like, oh, 太贵了. So I wouldn't use too much in real life. 太贵了. Because sometimes it's really not very expensive or too expensive, just a little bit expensive, and you want to see if you have a chance to bargain. I think it also depends on where you are. If you're in China, they tend to give you more price, so you need to be more dramatic and say, 太贵了, 太贵了, too expensive. Remember, 太了, it is a structure to say something is too much, remember? 太贵了. You put adjective between 太 and 了. So 太贵了, or it is too cold. You could say 太冷了, 太冷了. Alright, let's go back to 太贵了. So depending on how you really feel about the price, if you feel it's really 真的 really 真的太贵了, 你可以说 you could say 太贵了. The next one, 便宜一点, cheap a little. 便宜一点. So you could say 太贵了, 便宜一点. 便宜 meaning cheap. 一点 meaning a little. So 便宜一点. 便宜一点. Or I would say 可以便宜一点吗? 可以便宜一点吗? Can it cheaper a little? Literally, is it okay to make it cheaper? 可以便宜一点吗? 可以吗? I mentioned this structure many times in my previous video lesson. It means to ask for a certain permission. 可以便宜一点吗? Can you make it cheap a little? 可以便宜一点吗? So this, I would say, okay, if I find something maybe a bit expensive, I would say, 可以便宜一点吗, 老板? Okay, 可以便宜一点吗? Or you could tell the shop owner, 可以给我一点折扣吗? 可以, you see 可以吗? Again, the structure, 可以 给我 give me 一点 a little 可以给我一点 Can you give me a little 折扣 meaning discount So can you give me a little discount 可以给我一点折扣吗可以给我一点折扣吗可以给我一点折扣吗可以给我一点折扣吗Or sometimes you think if you buy more or you buy two of the thing, the product in the same store, you might get discount and you could ask the shop owner, 买两个有折扣吗买 to buy, to purchase 两个 two, you could say 三个四个 depending on the number. Okay, so 买两个 if I buy two, buying two有折扣吗 Do you have discount for buying two items? 买两个有折扣吗买两个有折扣吗 Do you have discount for buying two? 买两个有折扣吗 Or you could say 买两个可以便宜一点吗 So use the previous sentence 可以便宜一点吗 Can you make it cheaper? So 买两个 buying two 买两个可以 Is it okay? 便宜 cheap 一点 a little 吗买两个可以便宜一点吗买两个可以便宜一点吗 Alright, the next one is if you find something that is too expensive 太贵了 and you don't feel comfortable bargaining 杀价 and maybe if you want to buy something and you're like oh 太贵了 you're like 没关系谢谢没关系谢谢 okay so maybe you give the face that you really want to buy something but it's too expensive you could say 没关系谢谢 that's okay thank you and then you're walking away you know, hoping that 老板 will say, wait, I'll give you a discount. Okay, so that's another way to 杀价. It's a very subtle way. Just say, 没关系, 谢谢. That's okay, thank you. You're walking away. And maybe the 老板 will give you some great deal. Or you could say, 没关系,那算了. 没关系,那算了. It's okay, then we'll just forget about it, okay? 那 meaning in that case 算了 meaning forget about it so it's okay this is too expensive so in that case 没关系那算了没关系那算了 so maybe 老板 will just say wait I'll give you a discount maybe who knows okay 没关系那算了没关系那算了So I hope you know how to 用中文杀价 using Mandarin to bargain or 用中文讲价钱 using Mandarin to bargain. I actually have a video training teaching you guys how to make this 杀价 bargaining into a shopping conversation. So if you want to learn how to shop in Mandarin, how to ask prices, how to bargain in Mandarin in the whole conversation, you can go to the link in the description. I have a video training for you along with a PDF file. Thank you for watching today's lesson. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share to your social and also subscribe to my channel because I release my new video every Thursday and maybe Sunday. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I share my life in Taiwan on Instagram and some learning resources on Instagram. And also, if you want to live with me, you can join me here on my Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。